First we will work with an expiration of 5 minutes, and we will use the value of $5. We will give the first entry to go down. Now we will wait for the asset to actually go down, so we can make another entry, to make one, closing candles. As soon as the asset goes in the right direction, which in the case here is, go down, then we give another entry of the same value, $5. But this time, the entry must be the opposite, from the first entry. You can see, I already made an investment of $10, but look at the amount I'm losing, the loss amount. It's a minimum amount, but keep an eye on it. Not only that, if the asset keeps going down, let's take more entries. This increases our risk, but it can give us a higher profit in the end. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to our channel. You can click on the link on my website below the video and open your account at this broker. As Professor Benario do Brazil understands that people who are his affiliates, he is committed to helping them make money, to make the biggest profit possible, because the more money affiliates make, the more money the binary teacher earns. For you to calculate the next entries, it is quite simple. You just have to observe the amount you are losing, and decide where is your profit percentage. You must put some amount above the loss amount, and so we are giving some more entries.
You